Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix your Twitch notifications not working. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and then open up Twitch. Make sure that you're already logged in into your account. Now all you need to do is tap on your profile icon and click on settings. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is head into notifications, and as you can see, the first thing is going to be smart notifications. Turn that off. As you can see, when turned on, your notifications are sent to where you are. When you're active on Twitch, you'll get an on-site notification when a channel you follow go live. But when you're not using, you'll not get a mobile notification or email or both. As you can see, it's saying. So you need to turn that off, because sometimes this is what is causing all the problem. If that doesn't solve your problem yet, simply go ahead and delete browsing data and just delete the cache and cookies right over here from this site. It is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.